2, 1.
Protect the furnace at all costs! Destruction!
Cherry bomb.
Beware.
Gonna have a bag soon.
Courteous bomb.
Get those fellows puffing!
Bag on right side.
And on left. Still down.
Go for it, Storm.
I think we missed a bomb on the left from the bag.
Yep, we did.
Nizzy rupture.
Stand on me, please.
Where? I will trust you!
Nizzy rupture. Cherry bomb.
Beware.
Shield on him.
Turn up the heat, boys!
Engineer's almost dead. Left side. Oh, he's in the shield.
Try not to drop those ruptures right in the middle.
Beware.
Right side's down.
Left side's close. I'm good.
Down.
Get up, Moss. We need a druid or no, we got lost.
Nope, we're down.
Crap.
Damn.
I just feel
That was close though. Cause we got it before the Bellows guys dropped.
Fury has broken free!
We just lost people.
Where did Moss die from?
Where?
Not sure. But yeah, the ruptures on the left
Dad.
side were like all over the place. They need to be like at the closer to the entrance side of the room if you can help it.
Yeah, I kind of feel like this. I mean, I understand the purpose of Moss wanting us to stack, but we're taking like rupture damage. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. But I felt
If you
like
get
the
an ad,
past
you should run it to the
Rupture is
tank.
completely avoidable.
Yeah, rupture needs to be brought out.
If
That's
you get
what I'm
rupture on
saying.
you, yeah,
Pathetic!
because it can drop to the outside and then nobody has to worry about it.
Yeah, I got that, but I just feel like since we've been stacking, like
What the? Don't run in. Don't release.
Trust you!
why? What's going on?
Okay, now they reset.
They reset.
I got